Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am cash planning for the week. I have $610 that I will be putting into all of my envelopes and savings challenges. I already figured out my wallet. My wallet's getting a total of $170, and the breakdown of that into these are always in my wallet because there are always things that I could potentially spend for the week. So I have spending money, that's $30. I can spend this on whatever I want or combine it with other envelopes, which I like having. Eating out, 30. Groceries, 80. Coffee, 20 this week. And buffer is 10. And this is just extra money in case I need it. So that is my wallet for the week, $170. Now I'm going to go into my binders and actually start doing the math over here. Okay, so I have $440 to put into the rest of my envelopes. Oh, and if you're not already, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Helps out my channel a lot. I'm trying to hit some subscriber goals. So if you have not already subscribed, I'd appreciate a subscribe. Thank you. And thank you for watching this video. So first up, I'm going to focus on a couple envelopes first. Let's see, last time I think I could do 25. Okay, so extra savings is going to get 25 this week. Also, month ahead will get 25. And then I have a couple envelopes in here that I want to put those amounts. So go wild, because my trip is coming up quick. We'll get 25, and treat yourself. We'll get 25. And so Disneyland, I'm going to put 25 in Disneyland as well because I'm going to Disney during the week with some friends. So I want to get some money in there. Okay, 315. I have 35, so that'll bring me up to 60, which is good. I also have a pass. They have a food festival right now, and last time I went, I bought a pass to the food festival, and I still have some. I think it was eight tickets, and I think I have 3 left to get food, so I can use those tickets to get some food while I'm there. And there's some things that I want to get while I'm there. So the $60 should be good to buy the pin that I want, because I always buy a pin when I go. And then also anything, maybe like a treat or something, maybe a drink, something like that. So I think that's good. All right, so next I'm just going to go down the line with Auto. And Auto's going to get, I'm going to put 10 in Auto this week. Electronics. You know what? I just remembered. I'm going to put a pause to this, put this aside, and I'm going to actually go into some savings challenges and get some of these taken care of first before I start figuring out money that's going to go in here. Okay, first up is Logopoly. I'm going to just roll the dice. Let's do 2 times. We'll see what that gets me. If I roll twice, and I left off on this space last time, I have this little spot here. Okay, so I'm just gonna roll one. 2, so I have $5. Let me get a sticky note. Okay, so the first roll was 5. Here's a second roll is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is $1. I'm gonna roll one more time. See how that gets me? $1. So that's 4. Okay, so I'm good with that. So I have 10 total for this challenge. And this is my last time playing this game because this is a little seasonally themed, like a March theme for St. Patrick's Day kind of theme. So I'll be doing a different challenge for April. I'll do a different one for that one, but That'll be my last roll for this one, and I can save it for next year. So luckily got 10. All right, good. And then the other one I wanted to do was my cash dash one, because I'm almost done with this one and I want to try to fill. Okay, so I'm left with 25, 35, and 45. Okay, should I do 25 and 35? And then I'll just be left with one. Okay, I'm gonna plan to do 25 and 35. And maybe with some extra wallet money, I could bump the 35 to 45, right? And that's gonna be 60 bucks just going into this challenge. But I'm gonna do it because I really want to just finish this challenge and just, yeah, I can't wait to finish it. It's a nice accomplishment. All right, so 25 and 35, which is going to be 60. I'm going to break it up into both of those amounts for this one, just so I remember which ones I'm doing. 25 and 35. Okay, so I'm left with 235 on that one. And then next, okay, so since I did 2 here, I'm just gonna do 1 in the 100 envelope, and I'm just gonna do 10. I recently pushed all my lower amounts and pushed them to the higher ones to fill in the higher ones. I'm almost done. I have all of this is filled. I just have all these lower amounts to fill. So I'm going to, and I have a video of me doing that recently. I'm just gonna fill in 10, and then with leftover money from my wallet, I could possibly bump it up. So 100 envelope will get 10. And then let's see what other ones I wanna do. So let's do, I have this to do one. I'm gonna do, let's see, what do I have in here? It's like a little check off. Little list. I don't have an Alexa, so I can't do the Alexa one. 15, save 10, pick a number. We'll do save 10 for this one. To do 10. Okay, and then I will come back to do the rest of my challenges. I have like 2 more challenges that oh wait, no, I have 52 circles also. Hold on. Sorry, let me figure this one out too. I almost forgot. I'm going to do 10 on this one. A bunch of 10s. And then we'll see if I can bump up, when I cash stuff, if I can bump up any of these amounts later. Because that tends to be something I'm able to do with leftover money. So we shall see. All right, now back to my envelopes in the binders. I have electronics. This one, I'm just gonna put 5. I actually have a decent amount in here, so that one's good. Emergency will get 20 this week. Extra savings, already did. Furniture will get 10. Already did month ahead. Rainy day, I will put 10 in here too. Okay, this is, I just paid my registration, so now I'm saving for next year's registration. And I'll start this off with just 5. Road trip, I will put 5 in here. I have enough to go out of town during the week to go to Disney, so just an extra 5 will be good. Scentsy will get 5 as well. Subscriptions, I want to put 10. And travel will also get 10. Okay. Next binder. I have 125 left, but I've already done most of my challenges, my savings challenges. That's why I want to get those out of the way. Beauty will get, I want to put 15 in here because there's some things I want to buy. So 15. Clothing, let's put 10. Costco will get 5, but Costco also gets my leftover money from my groceries. Family, Okay, we're gonna put 10 in here. Getting down to the end here. Okay, I might be putting 5s in all these. Okay, so gifts, we'll get 5. Home, we'll get 5. Household, we'll get 5. Pantry doesn't get anything, it's fully funded. Target will get 5. Okay, and then I have a couple more in here. These probably will, I'll get 5 too. Fun, we'll get 5. Hobbies, we'll get 5. Christmas, 5. And holiday decor will get 5. Okay, I'm left with 45. So I think I'm gonna go back to my gray binder because I have some envelopes that have nothing in it. As I actually spent everything in home. I bought a new table for my front door area and then curtains. So I had 170, wait, 170. How much did I have in here that I spent? Oh, it was 165. Oh no, sorry. Furniture I used to buy the little entryway thing. And then I bought curtains with this. So I had 95 and the curtains, I got like blackout curtains. So they were like 50 bucks for 2 panels, which actually wasn't too bad. And then the rod. So that was basically my full budget here. So I have nothing in here. So I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna actually bump this up to 10. 10, so an extra 5 will be here. And also let's do household, another 5. Because I actually need to buy some laundry stuff. And then Target is good. Okay, that one's good. I actually have a gift card for Target, so I'm not too concerned for that one. Left with 35, so I think that's just gonna go into my challenges. The only challenge I have left, I have 2 challenges left actually, is the $10 challenge and then also the $1 challenge. So I'm just gonna put the 30 into the 10, so 30, and then the 5 into the $1 challenge. So that's 35. All right, so that should be the full 610. I'm just gonna double check and make sure the numbers are correct and that I didn't mess up anywhere, and then I can move on to the next thing. So all of my numbers look good. So I'm just gonna work on the tallies next. So just I always pick the largest denominations to get the least amount of bills for when I'm asking for money to get out of the bank. So Auto is gonna get a $10 bill. Actually, I'm gonna take this off the discs. So Auto gets 10. Electronics gets a 5. Emergency 20. Extra savings 25. I have 10 for furniture. Month ahead is 25. Rainy day is a 10. Registration 5. Actually, I have a few 5s here and then a couple 10s here. And then beauty is 15, so 10 and a 5, a 10, 5, 10, 5, couple 10s, 5, 25 for Go Wild, so that's 20 and a 5, oh my pen, 20 and a 5, another 20 and a 5, and another one. Fun, I have a few 5s here, so let's go 5, and then Lucopoly is 10. That's 10, 10, 10. Cash Dash is 25, 20 and a 5. And then also 35. So 20, 35. To do is a 10. And then the $10 challenge is 30, so I'm going to do 3 10s. And then the $1 challenge is 5, so I'll just do 5 here. All right, so let me count up all the tallies. So 50s, I'm getting 1, 20s, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10s, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Did I say 5s or 10s? That was 10s. That was 10s. 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then 1s is 10. Okay, so now totals for all of this, 50, I have 1s, that's $50. 20s, I have 11, so that's $220. 23, I have 10, I'm sorry, 10s, I have 23, so that's $230. 5s, I have 20, so that's $100. And 10. Okay, hopefully I did the math right on that. So I'm gonna add it up. 50, 220, 230, 100, and 10. 610, perfect. All right, so I'm just gonna write out my little sticky note so I can take that to the bank and give to the teller. Let me get a little sticky note here. Okay, so I have 50 times 1 is $50. 20s times 11 is $220. And then 10 times 23 is $230. 5s is 100. And 1s is 10. And that's a total of $610. All right, so I will put this in my wallet so that way I don't forget it. I'm gonna go to the bank later today, and that is it. So just get the money out of the bank, and then I'll be able to cash stuff with it in my next video. So that is it for the cash plan of this for this week. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video.